What's up, beautiful people? Another day, another study. This data was recently released from the US government, and it is data on trends in metabolic health, specifically cardiovascular disease risk. And they're looking at a period from 2021 to August 2023. And during this period, and I'm very, very disappointed by this data and the fact that we continue to trend in this direction. Only 36.4% of adults had zero cardiovascular risk factors. 34.9% had one, 28.7% had two. This means that nearly 2/3 of all adults have at least one cardiovascular risk factor, with a significant portion of the population, nearly 30%, having two or more. And these factors that were measured were simple things like blood glucose, blood pressure, blood lipids, and BMI. Now, men were more likely to have two or more risk factors than women. And as Americans age, they were more likely to have two or more risk factors as well. But what's really concerning to me, and someone who is religious and preaches and practices about prevention, especially early on, because the earlier you develop a cardiovascular risk factor, the longer it's present, the more risk you accumulate. And the earlier bad things are going to happen, like strokes and heart attacks and so on and so forth. Even among adults aged 20 to 39, nearly 50% had one or more CVD risk factors. And if you compare overall the rates from 2013 and 2014 to now, the rate of adults with one or more CVD risk factor increased by nearly 5%. So we continue to trend in the wrong direction. This is why I preach lifestyle medicine, nutrition, exercise, stress management, sleep from the rooftops, because it is so important to reverse these trends.